Hi children, hope all are well. Last class I have taken Old Brer Rabbit section 1 and 2. Today we will go to the grammar section. Hope all have understood that story, and I hope you have written all the meanings which I have given you. Now we will go to grammar section. So all take page number 29 in your textbook. Page number 29. Tick the correct meanings of these sentences. First question. Brer Rabbit and Brer Fox were like some children I know. Brer Rabbit and Brer Fox were like some children I know. So the correct meaning. Two answers are given there. You have to tick out one answer. Uncle Remus knew some children whose names were Brer Rabbit and Brer Fox. Brer Rabbit and Brer Fox behaved like little children. So the correct meaning is Brer Rabbit and Brer Fox behaved like little children. So B is the correct answer. First question B. Now take the next page. Both of them were always after one another. Always after one another. Both of them chased each other. Both of them were always nasty to each other. So the correct answer is B. Both of them were always nasty to each other. Understood? Third question. Now Brer Fox always had one eye on Brer Rabbit. Brer Fox closely watched Brer Rabbit. Brer Fox watched Brer Rabbit with only one eye. So the correct answer A. Brer Fox closely watched Brer Rabbit. Fourth one. But he couldn't make head nor tail of it at all. A. He couldn't understand what happened. He couldn't put Brer Rabbit's head or tail together. So A is the correct answer. He couldn't understand what happened. So first answer is B. First one B, second one B, third A, fourth one A. Now next, fill in the blanks to complete the flow chart. Fill in the blanks to complete the flow chart. First one. Brer Rabbit got into a bucket for what? To take a quiet nap. ഒരു ചെറിയ ഉറക്കം കഴിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് പോയതെന്ന്. As soon as he got into the bucket, it, what happened? Went down the well. Understood? At first Brer Rabbit felt very scared. ആദ്യം നല്ലോണം പേടിച്ചു. Brer Fox thought that Brer Rabbit had എന്ത് ചെയ്തെന്ന വിചാരം? hidden his money in the well, or he had discovered a gold mine. Understood? Brer Rabbit told him that he was എന്ത് ചെയ്യാന്ന? fishing. He invited Brer Fox to help him bring up the fish. മീൻ പിടിക്കാൻ സഹായിക്കാൻ പറഞ്ഞു. When Brer Fox got into the bucket, what happened? It went down the well and his weight pulled Brer Rabbit up. ബക്കറ്റ് താഴോട്ട് പോയി, അത് വെയിറ്റിനനുസരിച്ച് Brer Rabbit മുകളിലേക്കും വന്നു. ആ താഴേക്ക് പോയ ബക്കറ്റിൽ Brer Fox ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. Understood? So you have to learn this flow chart by heart. Then next, page number 31. Tick the correct answers. Why didn't Brer Rabbit rest though he was tired? He thought that the others would call him lazy. He did not like to rest. Which is the correct answer? A. He thought that the others would call him lazy. അതാണ് ടയേർഡ് ആണെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞത്. മറ്റുള്ളവർ ലേസിയാന്ന് വിളിക്കുന്നത് ഇഷ്ടമില്ല, അപ്പോൾ ടയേർഡ് ആണെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. When Brer Rabbit jumped into one bucket, what happened to the other bucket? The other bucket went up, the other bucket went down. What happened? The other bucket went up. A. Who came up when Brer Fox went down into the well? Brer Rabbit came up. Bear came up. Which is the correct answer? Brer Rabbit came up. So first one A, second A, third also A. Now true or false? Brer Rabbit told everyone he was tired and was going to rest. False. ആരോടും പറഞ്ഞിട്ടില്ല അല്ലേ? False. Brer Rabbit was afraid to jump inside the bucket. പേടിയൊന്നുമില്ല, വേഗം ബക്കറ്റിൽ ചാടി. False. Brer Fox could see Brer Rabbit inside the well. കാണുന്നില്ലല്ലോ വെല്ലിൻ്റെ, നല്ലോണം നോക്കിയതിന് ശേഷമല്ലേ കണ്ടത്. False. Brer Fox jumped into the second bucket. True. Brer Fox got stuck in the well. True. Brer Fox അവിടെ സ്റ്റക്കായി കിടക്കുകയാണ്, സെക്കൻഡ് ബക്കറ്റിലേക്കാണ് ചാടിയത്. സോ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഫാൾസ്, സെക്കൻഡ് ഫാൾസ്, തേർഡ് ഫാൾസ്, ഫോർത്ത് വൺ ട്രൂ, ഫിഫ്ത്ത് വൺ ഓൾസോ ട്രൂ. Now answer these questions. We'll just discuss. Who were clearing the ground? Who all were clearing the ground? Brer Rabbit, Brer Fox, Brer Coon, Brer Bear, and a whole lot of them were clearing the ground. Understood, children? Brer Rabbit, Brer Fox, Brer Coon, Brer Bear, and a whole lot of them were clearing the ground. That's the first answer. Why did Brer Rabbit feel tired? Brer Rabbit felt tired because the sun was hot. സൂര്യൻ്റെ ചൂടുണ്ട്. Why did Brer Fox sneak up after Brer Rabbit? Brer Fox sneaked up after Brer Rabbit because he knew that Brer Rabbit was up to something. Understood? Because he knew that Brer Rabbit was up to something. എന്തോ ചെയ്യാന്നാണ് വിചാരിക്കുന്നത്. How was Brer Rabbit feeling sitting all alone inside the bucket? Brer Rabbitന് എന്താ ഫീൽ ചെയ്തത്? ബക്കറ്റിൽ ഒറ്റയ്ക്ക് ഇരിക്കുകയല്ലേ. Brer Rabbit was feeling very scared when he was sitting all alone inside the bucket. Once more, who were clearing the ground? Brer Rabbit, Brer Fox, Brer Coon, Brer Bear, and a whole lot of them were clearing the ground. Why did Brer Rabbit feel tired? Brer Rabbit felt tired because the sun was hot. Why did Brer Fox sneak up after Brer Rabbit? Sneak up എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ പിന്നാലെ പോയത് എന്താണ്? Brer Fox. Brer Rabbit sneaked. Answer sneaked up after Brer Rabbit because he knew that Brer Rabbit was up to something. Brer Rabbit എന്തോ ചെയ്യാൻ ആലോചിക്കുകയാണ് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. How was Brer Rabbit feeling sitting all alone inside the bucket? Brer Rabbit was feeling very scared when he was sitting all alone inside the bucket. I will send all these answers in groups. So read the lesson well, learn all the grammar and question answers of this chapter. Okay children, till then, bye.